pitcher plants are several different carnivorous plants which have modified leaves known as pitfall traps, a prey trapping mechanism featuring a deep cavity filled with digestive liquid. The traps of what are considered to be true pitcher plants are formed by specialized leaves. The plants attract and drown their prey with nectar. You can find more than 100 species of tropical pitcher plants in tropical habitats in Australia, Madagascar, Papua New Guinea, the Seychelles, Southeast Asia, and Sri Lanka.